Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video we will learn about new upgrade feature, use mobile photos on desktop via QR code. In the Online Designer Studio, now your customers will have the facility to photo transfer from their smartphones to desktops, for easy personalization, especially useful for photo prints products. In easy steps, click on Upload from Mobile, scan the QR code, connect mobile and upload photos. Also, your customers can share the link with their friends via email. This way your customers can collect photos from their friends as well. Let's have a look in admin. We need to go to Design Studio, Studio Settings, under Common Setting, search for Upload from Mobile button, enable and save it. When we go to Storefront in Designer Studio and check, under Images section we will see Mobile Upload button is enabled. User will get the link from where he can able to upload the photos with two ways. One way, he can able to scan the QR code displayed in Image Gallery panel. Another way, he can add email ID, and click on Send Link to Email button. The link will be sent via email. Under Content Management, Email SMS Notifications, one email template named Studio Mobile Upload Image Link is created for the email content of the Send Link to Email functionality. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any further concern, feel free to connect with us.